how does that idea go from, someone's head to actually shipped code? Like, just broadly, what does that look like in Typeface?
One of the things we are actually collectively pushing at Typeface is how do we embrace a lot more AI in everything we do. So I'll give you an example of a good case where that happened. So, I mean, there's usually silos in any company. Like there's not silos in the traditional sense, but they're functional things, right? There PM does the spec, engineer does the code. I think we want to break through all of that. So an example of this could be if somebody has an idea. Now it's like writing a spec is harder than just opening up Claude Code and Lovable or Bolt or whichever else and just doing a quick proof of concept and nailing those finely tuned interaction, right? It's not going to be pixel perfectness, but at least show what your idea is rather than just writing a spec in some corner somewhere. So that, and then at that point of time, that from going from there to the engineering part of this code, once again has to use a ton of more AI, right? So that's really the process which used to take like weeks or months can now be done in a matter of days and hours, honestly. So we, for example, have embraced AI pretty actively in the company over the last few months. I think there's been an aha moment with tools like Claude Code now, which actually allow you to do a lot of these things. It's faster than even having discussions about these things. You can actually play with it and try things out. So from a feature when it comes in, that's kind of what we do. We you still need rigor with these tools. If you just kind of, I mean, they are like they can be like loose cannons and you can fire all over the place. But if you want to kind of do the right thing with them, you still need to think. So
Yep.
and a PM spec could be now a prompt
Yep.
into a Claude Code, which spits out even a spec for you if you wanted to spit out a spec, and then it writes the code for you. When you're writing code, component level architecture is still important. So it's not like you can just kind of write
Right.
random code, and testing is still important. So we embrace some of those concepts, but then the velocity of from when we get an idea to when we can put it out there is extremely fast now because of all of these things.